Assalamu alaikum. We are here to represent our project and we have four members in our team. Our team name is Coding Vampires. In this project, we show the relationship of different tables with each other and how to control through it through GUI. We show real-time work of any department in the form of database in this project. I will explain briefly the working of the project because if I start to explain it, the video will be too long. We use Java and we use SQL connectors for SQL in this project. We create a database of a department. In the in department, chairman give permission to any employee for different activities. In which we have one chairman in a department. We have one chairman, but here we represent him as an admin. And for that, we have to give him a user ID and password directly from database tool which we used here. The database tool we use here is MySQL Workbench. Here you see we have a 13 tables which are interrelated with each other. And after that, here when we assign and password and admin to an chairman, after that we have to log in from here. Right now we have a chairman ID 01ch02 and its password is 123. Now we are logging in. After that, this panel come in front of us. Here you see the admin is showing up here, login by 01ch202, and from here we select the employees course book, course ID, book author notes. What we have right now, employee section, we have right now here 1 2 3 4 5 IDs. Right now, if we have more than a 10 15 or 500 employees, and you want to search a particular employees, so you can enter his any particular unique thing like its ID. So if we enter here ID like 01, we have en and 03, it will tell us directly from here. It is a searching, it's used for searching. Now from down in the bottom we have three options: insert, update and delete. From insert we can because it's an admin panel, so it can insert, update and delete. But if it is an employee and it has no privilege given by admin, then it cannot update. It only see the database. It's work like a student for him. It's like a student, as it is logged in by a student and he's seeing all the things. Now from the right side corner here we have a privilege. The admin can give privilege to any employee he has in his account in his department. So after clicking privilege, we have this panel. In this panel, we have all the employees except the admin. Because he is admin, he cannot be here. Except him, all the employees are shown here. And here we have to write the employee's name, 0103. Okay. After that, we have to search its ID exists. We have to click OK. Now we have to give him a privilege of owner, editor, visitor. First of all, understand this thing. When employees register himself in a software or anything, or in a employee in a department, he is a visitor. He don't know anything. He cannot edit at first. First, he has to learn everything. So that's why if any employees or any person register here, he is a visitor, editor, or anything else. So for that, we click him a visitor, submit. Visitor added successfully. Now he is a visitor. Still, he's a visitor, but he's also a visitor. But if we change his privilege, now he is a visitor, but after some time we want to make him an editor. He can edit anything. So we can click editor. After that, submit. Editor added successfully. ID employee, because admin can add employee or delete employee, everything he can do, or update any data of an employee. So here we have an employee ID, a unique ID, because it's a primary key. We give any unique ID here. After that, we have a phone number. Here if we enter any character, it will give an error because we use regex here. So for that, we have to give any number here. After that, we have to give an employee name here, his designation and his email, because we use regex here, so we have to take everything under consideration. After that, we have to give the address of an employee. If we left any text field empty, it will give an error. Like if we put an empty here, we click and insert, it will give an error or pop-up message that enter value in all fields. After that, so we have to fill this field. Right now we fill it. Now we inserted, employees added successfully. So we have an 11 employee 03. Let's check it out. Now we have to check it out. We have that employee or not? Yes, we have that employee 11 EM03. Right now in the down in the bottom of the table of this table, you are showing here. And if we go in the privilege portion, we have that employee also here. Next is a delete option. In the delete option, you have to only enter the ID of an employee. By entering the ID, it will search from the table. If this employee exists, it will delete the employee from the table. Right now, if we enter, we added 11 EM03. We click OK. It will search. He got it and he deleted. And for that, we have to refresh the table. Obviously, now see we have no employee of 011 EM03 because it has been deleted by admin. Because we are working in an admin panel. Admin can do anything in a table. So in the basically it goes on a course portion. In the course portion, we have a relation with an employee ID. Right now, in the right side, if you upload, insert, update, or delete any courses, right, it will first check it is uploaded by that employee or not. If right now, if you want to delete a course 897, right now here course is 897. If you want to delete it, so it will first check it is uploaded by you or not. if you uploaded this courses in this database, you can delete it. Right now it will delete it because it is uploaded by chairman. Here's admin 01CS0. It is uploaded by admin and it is logged in by admin. That's why it is deleted by him. Otherwise, if it is uploaded by another employee and another person, like I uploaded the courses here and another person some next time log in here and want to delete that course, he cannot because it is uploaded by me. So it is deleted by me when I by my through my ID because I uploaded it here. That's the relation between him. And later on we have a course book. Here we have a three portion. In a course book we have a relation of a course code, which in the before section we have a primary key. Here we use it as a foreign key. Here the book uploaded is of which courses, we use this foreign key here. After that we have a book author. In this section we use a book ID which can tell us that which book is uploaded by which author, because we have more than one author. That's why we created this panel like that. And we have a next section, a note section. In this section we have a relation between employees ID because and course code. Like it's like that. This code, this notes is uploaded by this employee and which course of it is of this course. Right now you see note 1 is uploaded by this, uploaded for this course and uploaded by this employee, and this yes submit means that it was uploaded, and if you delete it, it will know that now. And in the project portion you have a projects which is uploaded by different batches, different supervisors. And right now here we use a relation of supervisor, which it's a final year project which has been uploaded by an engineers or final year students, that we completed our final year project, and our final year project is this, and it is supervised by this employee which is an employee ID. And in the last we have a TTP. In the TTP section we it is a TTP is based upon a course, so we use a course code here to identify which TTP is for which course code. This all comes in a admin panel or all the brief interview of this panel. Right now we logged out. Now I tell you we have three here portion. We have three things. One is that if we admin give a privilege of editor, then the editor panel will open, in which he cannot give a privilege to any person. If he is a visitor, he cannot do anything except viewing all things. He can view each and everything, but he cannot update, delete, insert, or anything else, nor a privilege. So for owner, he can do anything. For editor, he can only insert, update, delete. It's work like a chairman give an order to clerk that you have to add this data in this table. You have to do this because admin give him a permission. Admin give clerk permission to do this. It's like same here. Admin give a privilege to some person that add, insert, and everything, and he can take it back as it is a real time example like that. And for employees, it's like employees can visit, see data, like it's like a website. You can go check which employees are working there, what are their data and what everything, but you cannot add anything. It's like a visitor. But for a visitor, you must have an user ID and password. Which for that you have to sign up here, and after that sign up, if you are employee, you must be added by an admin in a panel. This all is about a project.